You guys aren't ready for today. We got Tommy, we got Michael, we got Benton, literally the boys. And we're about to crush it, so here we go. Alright guys, we're crushing it, and we got a dance box, and biggest spin out of the three of us wins a cheesecake, Michael said. Oh, on the dance box. Cheesecake.
Let's go, worth it.
Dude. You're buying it, right?
No.
Okay, winner has to buy the cheesecake.
Send us some money for cheesecake.
Someone send the cheesecake.
Ooh, the slow spin, but smooth. Ooh. Ooh. Oh!
Alright guys, since we can't count, you comment down below who won. I went with the slow, trying to spin myself strategy. I don't think it worked.
Tell them run it all.
Someone run into me.
Yeah.
I have no idea what happened.
a little baby turkey ran into you.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell them run it all, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it all. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell them run it all, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it all. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell them run it all, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it all. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell them run it all, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it all. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Nigeria, come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself, they're getting buried.
I'm gonna try to do my best to talk today, because when you have this many people mobbing, it's hard to like flow a vlog. But Michael is not using the gimbal, because gimbal's slower when you're panning to people. So we're going no gimbal today. We also picked up Sebastian. If you don't remember him, go watch this video, because that dude killed it. He did a death gap of death. It was nuts. Other than that, let's keep ripping. Michael, thanks for filming.
Yep.
And boom, first 7 of the season. First try, first land. Woo! Boom. When you ride with people that are like, da 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 da, it just makes you go like, right? All right, guys, we're having a sick time, but there's no better time than right now to do this week's sticker shout out. Oh, he's put me on what? He didn't know this was happening, but I got you guys. You guys are legends. So I'm gonna kill some time, but he's got it. You guys want to know his password? Okay, it's 1111. Oh, now we gotta change it. All right, guys, so for today's sticker shout out, we got Mud Bomb with the gold Evolution sticker rocking on the helmet, dude. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Guys, if you want any of the Evolution stickers, any of the Evolution merch, it's always linked in the description. Then tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs.
Yo, Mud Bomb, I just changed your stuff. Thanks for the business, man.
Yeah, and if you want to get your stuff tuned by Michael, his information is in the description. Benton has a TikTok, his TikTok's in the description. And Tomie, we've talked about Tomie a bunch, but Instagram, YouTube, snowboard stuff down below. Rip, rip. Do you have an Instagram? You want to be shouted out, Sebastian?
At Sebs_Diaz_.
In the description.
Yeah.
Boom. Full send twice. What? That's when you trust your friend.
He's still going.
Oh, rip. Clearly my jacket doesn't slide as good as theirs. And this is the end of Tomie. Woo! What a day, dude. That was sick. Hyped on your Sevs, dude. It's a big step forward. We're gonna keep working on them. 9s to come. Clean them up. Yes, we gotta get it. 9s are coming. Good day, right day. This boy's going down.
I'm out. We gotta go out for the homie. Good meeting everybody.
Sebastian, see ya. All right, I got bad news. Benton just told me he's leaving too.
Gotta rest up so I can keep riding with you in the future.
He's gotta catch his mountain breath because he's not acclimated yet. Dude, you're nuts. 1 foot 360. Come on, get out of here.
It was alright. It was sloppy.
We'll get a better one this season. See you, buddy. So then there were 2. Me and Michael. He missed my last 7. That's why he's frowny face right now. But we're not gonna go super hard. We're actually gonna go film an extra like how to ride search video for you guys. So if you missed that video, check it out. What's up, guys? Johnathan Buckhouse here, and today I'm gonna teach you how to ride switch. Are you okay?
That's a head bang.
Dude, you banged their head so good.
I didn't see that
bomb hole?
Yeah.
Yeah, you take your time. That was rough.
Dude, sick.
Hey, so sick. Want to give a big shout out to Michael for filming? What a sick day. That was Chipmunk, by the way. I'm not totally sure how the footage came out today, but it doesn't matter for me because this was one of the funnest days I've had riding with all of the boys. Benton was going off, Tomie was going off. I was trying my best. I landed a 7, and then Sebastian showed up, dude rips. Michael was feeling like a boss. At least that's how I felt. So, whew, what a sick day. Do you really?
Yeah.
I'm pooped. That was an intense, short session with the boys, and I'm tired. Dude, so much happened today. Tomie jumped off my board. Benton jumped over me. We did triple layback. Like, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, give it a share, and subscribe to our channel so we can help you become the best snowboarders possible by one, showing you how fun snowboarding is. That makes you want to snowboard more, which makes you better at snowboarding. But I also drop a lot of how-to videos. Like today, once again, I filmed a how to ride switch video, which is sick because so many of you guys have been asking for that. And the last thing I just want to say is, guys, if you want to help support this dream, help support the daily content, check out my Patreon page. You can donate $1, $5. It all helps the channel, like daily videos possible. It's how I do YouTube full-time as a living. I was just a normal dude working at Target. And thanks to you guys and creating a following, I can now do this for a living, and I'm so thankful. And so with the Patreon page, once again, you can donate $1, $5. There's like a $15 tier, $30 tier, and then it ramps up to $50, $100. Every tier has an option back for you, like a snowboard 101 course. You can actually snowboard with me on the mountain if you want with snowboard 101 shred days. There's literally so many options, so much sick stuff on the Patreon page. So please check that out if you do want to support the channel and get something back in return. If not, once again, you can get any of the Evolution stickers, hoodies, all that stuff. It's all in the description. And with that, Team Huckhouse, dude, thank you so much for shredding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we'll see you tomorrow.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes I so do banger, I'm the new Mick Jagger, I'm the new Mick.
All right, guys, for today's sticker shout out, we got Mud Bomb. Oh, gotta do that again.